Hey, to get a dynamic island on the POCO F6 Pro, first of all you will have to open Google Play Store and you will have to download the dynamic spot application because as default this function is actually not available on the smartphone. So go into the Google Play Store and type dynamic spot. This is an application that I can highly recommend you. It's completely free and it works really good. So click to open after installation. Now we just have to wait for this turn on process, click on the next, and now we have to select all of these permissions one by one, select all of the apps, then go back, then go for the notification access. From this select the dynamic spot and click on this allow notifications, click on this I'm aware of the possible risks, and click OK in the right bottom corner after 10 seconds. Next, do the same for the draw on the screen. Select no restrictions. Let's do this one more time. Click next and select from downloaded apps the dynamic spot application. Click also right here on this I'm aware of possible risks and click OK in the right bottom corner. Now click done. And as you can see right now, I'm going to show you how it looks when you receive notification. There we go. This is how we can get the dynamic island on the POCO F6 Pro, and you can change position, you can change appearance of this dynamic island. Sometimes you will also get some ads, so we can turn them off by clicking skip in the left upper corner. And for example, you can change color of it. For example, you can get orange. And now when you play it, you will actually get this dynamic island in the orange color. So we can customize this application to your own preferences. I can highly recommend you to take advantage of all of these options and set it up to your own preferences. Right now, please leave a like under this video and subscribe to my channel.